When it comes to webcam video conferencing, having the right camera is essential. Not only it will present you with clear video quality, but these cameras are also equipped with great microphones, so if you're looking for the best webcam recommendations for your video conference, here are our top picks. Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. First off, we have AVerMedia Mingle Bar, and truth be told, it's one impressive piece of tech. If you're in need of a top-notch conference camera, this one definitely ticks all the boxes. First off, the 4K resolution is just jaw-dropping. It ensures crystal clear visuals that make us feel like the other person is right there in the room, but what really blew us away were the AI features. The auto framing is a game changer as it effortlessly tracks and adjusts the camera angle thanks to its ultra-wide field of view. We can now say goodbye to awkwardly adjusting the camera mid-meeting. The unique shape of the Mingle Bar adds a touch of style to any conference room. It's sleek and modern, instantly catching everyone's attention, plus the fact that it only requires one cable to connect to the device is a major convenience. No more tangled mess of wires to deal with. We must mention the HDR mode and 3D noise reduction. Since the HDR mode enhances depth and detail, making everything look even more vibrant, and the 3D noise reduction ensures that the audio is crystal clear thanks to the built-in omnidirectional microphone. What we love the most about the Mingle Bar is its flexibility. We can place it anywhere we want thanks to its versatile setup options. Plus, with HDMI, Type-A, and Type-C interfaces, connecting it to your device is a breeze. All in all, the AVerMedia Mingle Bar is a winner. It combines top-notch visuals, AI features, and a stylish design, making it the perfect companion for meetings and conferences. If you work for the government, the Mingle Bar is TAA and NDAA compliant as well. Coming up next, we have the AVerMedia Webcam, which is perfect to fit in the conference room, cool and reliable. It's got that crispy 1080p resolution at 30 FPS, so your video calls will look sharp and smooth. Just plug it in via USB and you're good to go. But here's where it really shines, the wide-angle lens that captures everyone in the room no matter how big your team is. And when the lights get low, no problem. It's got these fancy infrared LEDs that make you look good even in the dark. Also, the built-in dual microphones make sure your voice comes across as clear and crisp. No more "can you hear me now" moments. And let's talk privacy. There's this handy privacy switch to cover the camera when you're not using it. No need to worry about anyone sneaking a peek, and on top of that, it supports up to 10 different users, and get this, it can even recognize your face to log you in, which is pretty impressive. So whether you're in a formal meeting or just hanging out with your work buddies online, the AVerMedia Webcam is your trusty sidekick for all things video conferencing. The BenQ webcam is undoubtedly one of the best budget-friendly webcams out there, offering an outstanding combination of features and affordability. With its 1080p resolution, it provides crisp and clear video quality, ensuring your online interactions are top-notch. Setting up the BenQ webcam is also pretty easy, as you just need to connect it and you're ready to roll. What sets this webcam apart is its built-in noise reduction technology, guaranteeing that your audio remains distortion-free even under noisy environments. It's a real game-changer for virtual meetings or online gaming. Versatility is key, and the BenQ webcam offers a 3-way setup option. Whether you prefer to perch it on top of your monitor, attach it to your laptop, or simply place it on a flat surface, it adapts effortlessly to your needs. Thanks to the built-in CMOS sensor, your video quality remains consistently sharp regardless of lighting conditions. In short, the BenQ webcam is an exceptional choice for those seeking a budget-friendly webcam that does not compromise on performance. Moving on to our next webcam, we have the Anker PowerConf C300, which has really upped the ante in the world of 1080p webcams. Speaking from the perspective of a fellow webcam, it's hard not to be impressed by its AI part framing and autofocus. This feature ensures that every shot is a masterpiece, automatically adjusting the frame to keep you in focus, making it a perfect pick for video conferencing and streaming. Low light correction is another ace up its sleeve. Even in dimly lit rooms, it manages to make you look clean, capturing every detail with precision. The adjustable field of view is a game changer, offering the flexibility to capture the entire room or focus solely on you depending on your needs. And let's talk audio. The AI-powered dual microphone is a hero when it comes to reducing background noise. It's a must-have for anyone looking to level up their online presence. Next, the Dell Pro Webcam, the WB5023, stands tall as one of the best 2K webcams in the market. The 2K resolution here is perfect as it delivers impressive video recording at a max FPS of 30. If you need to switch to 1080p resolution, then it has your back. With a smooth 60 FPS, your video content will look incredibly professional. Now, what sets this webcam apart is the Sony StarVis sensor, which ensures outstanding image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. It's like having your personal lighting crew making you look great. With the maximum field of view of 78 degrees, it offers a nice balance between capturing your surroundings and keeping the focus on you. Plus, the advanced digital overlap and video noise reduction feature keeps your videos sharp and clean even in less than ideal settings. You should definitely check it out if you're looking for a reliable 2K webcam on the market. Okay, so if you're looking for an even higher resolution, then take a look at the BenQ DVY32. This is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to 4K webcams. With a high-performance Sony image sensor at its core, your video quality is nothing short of stunning. Colors are vivid and details are razor-sharp, making you look your best in every meeting. Besides, the 120-degree wide field of view is a blessing, especially when you're trying to include everyone in the frame. And if you prefer to zoom in, the 5x digital zoom has got you covered, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. One of the standard features is the AI-powered auto-framing, and it's like having your personal camera operator, ensuring you're always centered and in focus no matter how much you move around. Also, the omnidirectional microphones are another highlight with an impressive range of up to 8 meters. Everyone's voice comes through loud and clear even in larger meeting rooms. The BenQ DVY32 is a 4K webcam at heart that promises to keep your online communication up to the mark. And finally, we have the Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra that stands out as the best 4K webcam for conferences, and it's not hard to see why. Because it's ready to deliver exceptional performance in any settings. The large aperture lens ensures outstanding low-light performance, making your video quality top-notch even under dimly lit environments. With a 1x1.2-inch Sony StarVis 2 sensor, you're getting the best in image quality, resulting in vivid and sharp visuals. Besides, the AI-powered high dynamic range technology takes your video to the next level, balancing light and dark areas simultaneously. It's like having a professional lighting crew on your device. The range of video quality from 1080p at 60 FPS to 4K at 30 FPS gives you the flexibility you need from different situations. Also, the advanced camera customization options like zoom, pan, tilt, ISO, and shutter speed put you in control of your video like never before. On top of that, the webcam also includes a built-in shutter in order to protect users' privacy. In conclusion, it's a versatile, high-quality webcam that delivers on every front. So that was all about our 7 best webcams for video conferencing recommendations. Hope you found one for yourself, and catch you guys in our next video.